Create Wealth Bootcamp. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy an item on Opensea. Set up a digital wallet. Before you can buy on Opensea, you'll need a digital wallet that supports Ethereum or the blockchain network the NFT is based on, such as Polygon or others. Popular wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Install the wallet of your choice and follow the setup instructions. Add funds to your wallet. To make purchases, you'll need cryptocurrency in your wallet. You can buy Ethereum, ETH, from various exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, and then transfer the funds to your wallet address. Follow the instructions provided by your wallet to add funds. Explore Opensea. Visit the Opensea website, opensea.io, and browse through the available NFTs. You can search for specific items, browse categories, or explore curated collections. Click on an item to view its details, including the artwork, description, and the seller's terms. Connect your wallet to Opensea. On the Opensea website, look for the Connect Wallet button or similar. Click it, and a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to connect your digital wallet. Select your wallet provider and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to Opensea. Set your preferences. Once your wallet is connected, you may have some preferences to set. These can include the network you want to transact on, Ethereum, Polygon, etc., or the wallet address you want to use for purchases. Follow any prompts or settings provided by your wallet or Opensea. Place a bid or buy now. When you find an NFT you want to purchase, make sure to carefully review the details and seller's terms. If the item is available for immediate purchase, look for the Buy Now button and click it. Enter the amount you're willing to pay, and confirm the transaction through your wallet. Participate in auctions. If the item is up for auction, you may need to place a bid. Enter the amount you're willing to bid and confirm the transaction through your wallet. Keep an eye on the auction end time and monitor your bids in case you get outbid. Finalize the purchase. Once your bid is accepted or you buy an item directly, you'll need to finalize the purchase. Follow the prompts provided by your wallet to confirm the transaction. Be mindful of any gas fees associated with the transaction, as they can vary depending on network congestion. Wait for confirmation. After confirming the purchase, you'll need to wait for the blockchain network to process and confirm the transaction. This can take a few moments or longer, depending on the network speed. Enjoy your NFT. Once the transaction is confirmed, congratulations! You are now the proud owner of an NFT. The item will be transferred to your wallet address, and you can view it within your wallet or on Opensea's website. Remember, the steps may vary slightly depending on the wallet you use and any updates to Opensea's interface, but these general guidelines should help you navigate the buying process smoothly. Please remember to watch tomorrow's video and subscribe to our channel below. Join us on the beaches of the world.